Welcome back to the channel. It's Daryl Killian, your auto insider. And today I've got the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. Now this isn't your neighbor's lifted taco. It's factory built for overlanding. And it looks pretty legit if you ask me. Let's take a closer look and see why this version might be the sweet spot between showroom shine and dirt road grit. From the bronze 18-inch wheels to the bed-mounted ARB sports bar, Toyota wasn't playing. The Trailhunter package turns the Tacoma into an off-road ready machine right off the lot. You get frame-mounted rock rails, high-clearance bumpers, a steel skid plate, integrated recovery points, and Trailhunter-specific lighting. And let's be honest, it looks kind of tough. And underneath, it's equipped with 2.5-inch forged monotube shocks from Man Emu and remote reservoirs for better heat dissipation on the trails. Rear coil springs make a huge difference in comfort on or off the road. This truck was designed to handle real backcountry use with integrated accessory switches for adding of winches, lights, and compressors down the line. The power comes from Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. It produces 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That's more torque than any other Tacoma before it. And I've heard it confidently pulls up hills even when loaded. It's paired to a 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive with a lock-and rear differential. Crawl control and multi-terrain select are built in for serious off-road maneuvering. Now let's hit the highway and see how this Trailhunter does at highway speeds. I've been impressed by how refined this truck feels on the road. It doesn't bounce you around like older off-road packages used to. Steering is solid and body control is tight, even with the off-road suspension. Now I will say, there's this high-mounted air intake on the passenger side designed to help the engine breathe in dusty or wet conditions. It's a nice touch for off-roading, but I did notice a little extra wind noise from it, and it got to be a little bit annoying. Inside is business and pleasure. The Trailhunter has rugged trim and branding throughout, but you're still getting Toyota's upgraded tech like the 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an available 10-speaker JBL sound system with a flex speaker on the dash, and USB-C charging up front and in the rear. This thing's ready for work, play, and road trips. And on my recent review of the Toyota Tundra, I talked about how Toyota had finally added the remote tailgate operation with the power lift feature. It's on the Tacoma too. This 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter is Toyota's best effort yet at building a go-anywhere mid-size truck straight from the factory. It's for folks who plan to use it, not just look at it. Now, it's not cheap, and it's definitely not subtle. But if your weekend start where the pavement ends, then this truck was made for you. If you're into factory-built off-road rigs that actually deliver, hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, is this the Tacoma you've been waiting for, or is Toyota doing too much? I'm Daryl Killian for the Auto Insider. Catch you next time.